तो
yes.
उस टाइम पे पोस्टर लगते हैं वॉल पे, तो वो भी मैंने बेचे सड़क पे खड़े रह के। सो वहां से मेरा एक्सपीरियंस है बहुत सारा कि कैसे हैंडल करना है, क्या हैंडल करना है, और हाउ आई एम डूइंग बिजनेस राइट नाउ, इट केम फ्रॉम दैट, आई एम स्टैंडिंग ऑन द शोल्डर ऑफ दिस जायंट्स.
Hello Rahul, welcome to Ventures Talk.
Thank you, Prathamesh. Thanks for having me on board.
तो राहुल हमें बताओ कि लाइक अपने बिजनेस के बारे में बताओ कि कैसे तुम ये आइडिया आया और अभी तुम मतलब ये व्हाट इज एक्चुअली इट अबाउट.
Before coming to the college, we used to work in Godrej appliances at Mumbai, and we used to go for treks in the weekends. So we have to take tents for living on rental basis. So that was really a pain point for us. And so one of my friend actually thought we should own some tents, and we can also use it and we can give it on the rent. So from there we that idea started. But as he was living outside the Pune outskirts, so it wasn't working. So we bought that tents at my place in Bipewadi, which is inside the city, and from there it took place. The business took place really good, and from the first we weren't like serious about the business, right? We have to do this
Yeah.
in the full time, for the full time. And subsequently demand has risen, and people started asking for more tents and more accessories, and we thought there is some future in this, so we invested our time and we created some basic website and Google Map location for the same, and that's how it took place.
Like actually, yes, we start from a little something and then we go along the path and along the way. So, I heard this thing according to the statistics that 80% of the startup, like they don't succeed in the beginning. So, is this your first venture or do you have experience of a certain in the past?
So I have one experience in the past where we lost big sum of money.
Oh,
So in back in 2015, we started a business for on-demand laundry. So it included an online app where you can put the order for your laundry. We will pick it up, we will wash it, and we will deliver it to you. But the problem is that we fell in love with the solution and not the problem. We haven't looked onto the problem, what it is, what pain points actually the users or user segment like bachelors who don't want to do their laundries, they what they are looking for. So in perspective, the economic equation didn't go well with that service, and we have to shut down that service. So that was my first failure, and I learned a lot from that. And after that, I continued my journey. I joined college, and this second venture I just came up to me, and it was from the problem we actually felt.
Rahul, it's a really good thing that you have utilized and you have analyzed actually what went wrong in your previous ventures, and then you tried to improve upon it and implement it in your new venture. So, would you like to share some take home lessons or some mantra with our viewers that you should keep them in mind while, especially after failures in your startups?
So first thing, that you should be passionate about the problem you're solving and not to fall in love with the solution on first chance. So many people like they do what they find some solution or some piece of technology that they want to मतलब ना क्या टेक्नोलॉजी को या फिर सॉल्यूशन को जबरदस्ती घुसेड़ना प्रॉब्लम में, इसको ऐसा नहीं करना है. So that shouldn't happen. That's what happened in our first venture, and that lesson I want to give to everyone, that you should find the problems that you actually feel. So this problem of the trekking accessories and what problems they feel, we have felt them, we have lived through that problems and that pain points we know. And also this problem can be solved by anyone, but what makes us the good team or the special for actually solving this problem, that we have felt this problem and we are passionate enough to solve this problem. Okay, and we know the user firsthand. Actually, we have felt the same pain points, and that's why we want to solve this problem.
तुम्हारी जो जर्नी है, जो पूरा वेंचर है, वो डिजाइन थिंकिंग प्रोसेस मॉडल के ऊपर डिपेंडेंट है या सिमिलर टू दैट?
I would not say exactly, but we are using the design thinking process to see more pinpoints. What are the user aspirations? What are they thinking? So if we consider who goes to trek, the college students goes to trek more, and the young employees working in the IT sector in Pune and Mumbai goes on to trek. So we are learning, we are finding the observations from these type of users. So what are their pain points? If we consider a college student, how much money he has, and what is his aspirations, how he utilizes time, at what time he sleeps and wake up. So accordingly, that where can we fit our products and what services we can give. So that direction we are thinking, we are using the design thinking process now.
Just for sake of information, I would like to share what exactly design thinking to our viewers. डिजाइन थिंकिंग एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है या एक बिजनेस मॉडल है जिसमें आप पहले अपना वेंचर स्टार्ट करते हो, उसके बाद आप यूजर से इनपुट लेते हो और ये एनालाइज करते हो कि हमारा रिस्पॉन्स कैसा आ रहा है, और उसके बाद आप अपने मॉडल में फिर से इम्प्रूवमेंट करके नया वर्जन लॉन्च करते हो. जस्ट फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम फ्लिपकार्ट का देखें तो फ्लिपकार्ट के जो ओनर्स है उन्होंने जो अपने ग्रोसरीज का दुकान होता है वहां से होम डिलीवरी का बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया था. फिर अकॉर्डिंग टू पीपल्स ओपिनियंस एंड इनपुट्स दे रीडिस्कवर्ड देयर मॉडल, दे रीडिस्कवर्ड देयर वे ऑफ बिजनेस, और इम्प्रूव होते होते वो एक बहुत बड़ी कंपनी बनती. राहुल, आपने जिक्र किया कि आप पहले गोदरेज में आपको एक वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस है. सो and as you told in the previous discussions that you are from a middle class background, right? So despite
Yes.
not being from a business background, how did you manage to take the risk of leaving a high paying job, starting and coming into this field of startups?
Really nice question. So entrepreneurial spirit जो बोलते हैं ना, that was inside in me from the childhood. Yeah. So in 9th, 10th, I used to work somewhere and used to earn money to fund my education. So that's how I got into the college, and I funded my education. And after that, I got the opportunity to work with Godrej, and so I took it as owing to my financial conditions. But I had to start somewhere. So the first venture, that's how it came into the picture. And for leaving the job, so I was thinking that I would be in the trap forever. If I continue to work, I won't be able to start something, or I won't be able to do anything. So it was like I don't have any freedom. So I explained this at home, and they also agreed that you should go further and do what you want, achieve your dreams and something. And that's how I took the risk of leaving the job and coming to the college to learn new things and utilize the same to start some business. So that was the motto.
Well,
So like I think your favorite thing to do like hobby is trekking, right?
Yes, yes.
So like trekking से कुछ experience मिला क्या तुमको, like hands on experience before like कि तुमको मतलब start करने के वक्त जो useful रहा?
Yes, yes, definitely. जो as mentioned earlier, जो users थे उनके जो pain points थे, वो मुझे first hand experience करने को मिले हैं कि उनको क्या क्या तकलीफ हो सकती है, what difficulties they face, and how they react to it, and what makes them give up not doing trek, or anything related to, and about the persona, user persona, how he or she is feeling about that particular product or service. So I personally use a lot of services before starting out on my own, and what they are offering to me and what I am offering to my current user base is totally different. So what experience we are giving to the customers is different because we have seen and we have experienced that pain, what
Right.
they are suffering right now. So I'd like to say more than 50% of my customers are in return. But since the lockdown, trekking is completely prohibited, that's why we are not in business right now. But as soon as it is starting slowly, we will help to grow it better, and we will use sanitized products and all that stuff. So we have thought about it.
Yes, yes, many things I think you have thought about, like post pandemic, you will include in your services. So, any other things except like you have thought you will add those to your business?
Yeah, yeah. So post-pandemic thing, we are like offering the complete sanitization, safety, and previously also before pandemic also we were offering the cleanest tents possible. Many people who were trekking also experienced the tents and other trekking gear we were received. It was dirty. Yeah, so we won't use it. If it's dirty, we will not feel comfortable in it. Well, how we will feel comfortable in sleeping in that? So according to that, that pinpoint also we captured, and we were giving tents really clean. But we have to add extra layer of safety if we are starting right now, that it is completely used, it is completely sanitized, and it is safe to that you can have it and you can go on trek without any worry.
और ये एक और इम्पोर्टेंट चीज है कि you yourself were your first user in a way, because
Yes, yes,
and this thing helps a lot, because even one should trust in only those things of which he or she is experienced about. वॉरेन
yeah,
बफेट ने भी ये बात कही थी कि
yes,
जब वो 13 साल के थे और उन्होंने इन्वेस्टमेंट स्टार्ट किया था, तब उन्होंने वो डेलिबरेटली पेप्सी में किया था, कोका कोला में किया था, इसलिए क्योंकि उन्हें वो कैन बहुत पसंद आती थी। और ये एक्सपीरियंस उन्होंने शेयर किया था कि जिस चीज में आपको एक्सपीरियंस हो और जिसे आप पर्सनली जानते हो, लाइक करते हो, वही चीज आपको मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स कुछ अच्छा दे जाती
यस, यस।
Right.
कि कुछ बड़ा करते हैं, लॉन्ड्री का होगा, पूरे देश में फैलेगा। बट मैं खुद की जो है ना भूल गया कि छोटे से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा।